Sunrise paints the vise of gold, another story to be told. Miles behind and miles to go, watching another world unfold. Chasing horizons, blurring lines, living between the painted signs. This iron horse, this heart of mine, we ride until the stars align. Past the cities, past the streams, living out these two-bit dreams. Every curve a different scene, feeling free and wild and keen. Chasing horizons, blurring lines, living between the painted signs. This iron horse, this heart of mine, we ride until the stars align.
Woke up this morning, sun in my eyes, got a feeling that I can't disguise. Something in the air feels brand new, shaking off the gray, painted skies in blue. Yeah, the static's gone from the radio, got the perfect song everywhere I go. Soul. Let the rhythm take complete control. Hands up high and letting go. Turn it up and watch the good times roll. Cruising down the street with the windows down, smiling at the faces all over town. Every single traffic light is turning green. living out the best day that you've ever seen. Yeah, the world is fading to the background. It's the sweetest and the purest sound. Oh, this is a good life, feel it in my soul. Let the rhythm take complete control. Hands up high, well let it go. Turn it up and watch the good times roll. Don't have to be perfect, don't have to be rich. Just find that simple little switch. Flip it on and let your spirit fly. Reach for your piece of the sky.